Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to pair to Bluetooth and all that kind of stuff on your Ancober ACB-001 Bluetooth speaker. We're going to go over everything real quickly. First of all, I'll show you, this thing has this is the charging port here to charge it, and then it also has an aux input. So if you can play music not from Bluetooth, but just from the this input here. Now we're going to come over here and all our controls are going to be here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and press and hold this button to turn it on, the power button. And then from there, this is going to start to flash quickly in blue, and we can go on our Bluetooth device and then go ahead and select ACB-001. Once it's connected, this will start to slowly pulse. Now, if you want to change what it's connected to, you're going to need to go into your Bluetooth device and manually disconnect this from it. Once that happens, this will go back to flashing blue, and you can go ahead and then connect it to a new device. The other thing you can do is you can pair multiple of these together, and you can do that by doing a long press on this M button. This particular speaker also has lighting effects, which we can control with the M button. Just a short press on the M button will have it toggle through the different lighting options that we have on it. Everything else is pretty straightforward. We have volume up and down. We can skip back and skip forward on our songs. This also has a microphone on it, so we can talk on the phone using the speaker. If you're interested in this speaker, there will be a link below.